Hey guys, Roger here from the Elite Realty Group, part of the Townsend team outside one of our newest listings. And I wanted to give you a view from my eyes of what this one looks like. This one is completely stunning and has been renovated from top to bottom. So if you want to see this, give me a call, 647-360-5900, and let's get you in here before anybody else. But in the meantime, I'm going to have Jean show this one to you. So here we are. We are going to go in and see this beauty. And look who we have here. We have Jean from the Elite Realty Group, and she's going to give us a tour of this spectacular property.
Hi everyone, so I'm Jean from Elite Realty Group, and I can't wait to just give you a tour of this property. So let's just go ahead and we'll start with the basement. Okay, so as we go down these stairs, they have been renovated. Everything in this home mainly has been renovated. So we have a finished basement here.
So if you have a child, son, daughter, and they need their own personal space, this is a great space to throw them down here, and they can get a little desk or something like that, do their work. Or if you want to be able to get away from the rest of your family sometimes, just to have your own personal space, throw your TV down here and come and chill.
Yeah. Could even be an office space. You know, a lot of people are working from home, so this is a great space to utilize.
And of course we have here entrance to the garage, which shouldn't be outdone, because everybody, especially in the winters, we do live in Canada, and when you have snow and you're able to go right into your car and not have to worry about shoveling that snow, that is a godsend. But I'm excited to see this main floor.
Yes.
Brand new flooring. Look at this.
Beautiful.
Is this laminate?
It is. Laminate right throughout.
Wow, it's nice.
Okay, so here we have our living area.
Oh, nice and spacious.
See, very spacious. We have very large windows for natural lighting. Yeah. And, you know, just take a look up at the ceiling. Pot lights. Pot lights and more pot lights.
Yep.
So we have a good view and a good lighting area. And if we take it over to our dining area, look at this beautiful light fixture. Yeah?
Very nice.
Awesome. Very nice. Our clients have spent thousands in renovation. This is a beauty not to be missed. And here we have our kitchen space. It's quite spacious, beautiful.
As you can see, this kitchen is fairly new as well.
Yeah.
With a nice backsplash there, custom backsplash. And let's go see. Oh, I love the stairs.
The stairs is absolutely beautiful. Okay, renovated also.
You know, it's too bad people can't see the before to be able to add it to
That's very true.
this complete.
I don't want to do master bedroom first. Let's just go to the smallest room. Now, this small room is still very spacious, as you can see.
Yeah, this house is perfect for somebody just starting off. If you're renting right now and you want to get into the market, Jean, where can they reach you to see this property?
647-424-2272.
Yeah, send Jean, give her a call or send her a text. This might be exactly what you're looking for. Something that you don't, look at this room. This room is absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to do anything in this house except drop your bags. So if you're looking for a property that can be your first, start your new family, or to get out from paying somebody else's mortgage, this is a perfect opportunity.
Absolutely. Okay, let's just take you over to the washroom. Totally gutted and renovated. I'll let you show them. Yeah.
Nice light fixture here too. I like this a lot actually.
Yeah.
Love the bath, love the tiles. Very nice.
Okay, I just want to direct your attention to the light fixture up there. Every room has a unique light fixture.
Oh, I didn't even see that over here. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So once again, there's nothing to do here. Just drop your bags and you're good to go.
Yeah. Just
And let's see where the magic happens in the master, or the primary they call it now.
I could just swing in this room. It's beautiful.
Lots of space, eh?
A lot of space. I mean, just look. You need to come and see it for yourself.
Wow. They've done a really nice job in this place.
Please remember our light fixtures.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Absolutely.
That's true. Every single room has its own personal touch with brand new light fixtures to go with everything else.
And with the primary bedroom, we also have a walk-in closet.
That's always nice.
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow. So there you have it, folks. This property is not yet in the market. And as I say, this could be yours if the price is right. So if you are interested in seeing this one firsthand, give Jean a call. And Jean, where can they reach you?
647-424-2272.
There you have it, guys. This is Jean with Elite Realty Group with one of our newest listings. And as you can see, this one's a beauty. So give her a call and let's get you in here before it is to market. Until next time, guys, talk soon.